You won't believe how good these stuffed peppers are. I start with fresh peppers, then just remove the stems and seeds. Once they're hollow, I mix up this amazing potato and herb filling. Stuff them tight. I'll show you both the shallow fry and deep fry methods. Shallow frying gives a perfect char, but deep frying makes them so golden and crispy. Ready for the best Bharwa Shimla Mirch? Let's get cooking. Grab some medium-sized, thin-skinned bell peppers and hollow them out just like this. Next, boil 500 grams of potatoes and grate them or just mash them up. Heat a large spoon of oil, throw in some cumin and asafoetida for that killer aroma. The secret to perfect stir-fry? High heat. I start with garlic, ginger, and chilies. Sizzle them until they smell amazing. Next, I toss in the onions and crank the flame. We want them soft and oily. You won't believe how much flavor is in this vegetable stuffing. I start with a high flame to soften the veggies and lock in that aroma. Now for the magic. I add salt, turmeric, and a kick of spicy red chili powder. You need this secret for the perfect stuffing. First, I get these veggies soft and aromatic. The smell is already insane. Now for my secret weapon, dry mango powder for that tangy kick. In go the grated potatoes. Use paneer here if you are feeling fancy. Crank up the heat. I roast these until everything is perfectly mashed and blended. Keep pressing and stirring to get that rich, smooth texture. If you're tired of boring veggies, these stuffed capsicums are a total game changer. I start by folding fresh coriander into my potato base for a healthy, tasty kick. Pro tip, move your filling to a bowl and let it cool so it's easier to handle. Now grab your hollowed out peppers because we're gonna pack these as tight as possible. Look at these stuffed peppers. I'm gonna show you how I get that perfect sizzle. First, I'm heating up some mustard oil to get that authentic, bold flavor. Once it is piping hot, I carefully line up all these peppers in the oil. Hear that sizzle? That is the best part. We are going for a beautiful shallow fry. This is how I make my favorite crispy stuffed capsicums. The secret is the steam. Keep the lid on to soften them. Now for the sizzle. We want a golden char on every side. Don't worry, if you pack the potato stuffing tight, it stays right there. Tired of oily stuffed peppers? Try this instead. First, I baste them with hot oil to get that beautiful, even sear. They turn out perfectly soft, and look, hardly any oil was absorbed. Total win. Next is my secret batter. I use gram flour, salt, and a little turmeric. Just add a splash of water. I keep it thick so it actually stays on. Tired of your stuffed pepper filling falling out? First, I whip up a thick gram flour batter until it's perfectly smooth. Now my secret, dip just the opening into the batter to create a perfect seal. I drop them gently into hot oil on medium heat. Just look at that sizzle. Looking for the ultimate food community? Well, you finally found your people. I'm talking epic recipes, daily food inspo, and so much love from foodies everywhere.